Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's weather update. Today we have a marginal risk of severe weather across portions of the central and northern plains, from Kansas through Nebraska, into portions of South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa. We have another marginal risk of severe weather extending from central Texas through East Texas, southern Louisiana, far southern Mississippi, and southern Alabama, and another marginal risk across northeastern Florida and southeastern Georgia today in the dark green areas. Looking at the tornado risk, I'm happy to report that there is a less than 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location across all areas of the United States today. Looking at the damaging wind threat, we have a 5% chance of damaging straight line winds within 25 miles of a location across these three brown areas today. So make sure you watch out for some isolated damaging wind gusts if you live in these areas today. And then looking at the hail threat, there's a 5% chance of quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a location across this brown shaded region today. So make sure you look out for some isolated large hail if you live across these areas today. Now, taking a look at today's flooding risk, there's a slight risk of excessive flooding rainfall across much of Arizona, southwest Utah, far eastern Nevada, and far southwestern corner of New Mexico in yellow today. There's a slight risk across areas of southeast Louisiana, far southern Mississippi, and far southern Alabama, and another slight risk across the Jacksonville, St. Augustine area of Florida, southeast Georgia, and southern South Carolina in the three yellow areas, and a marginal risk in the dark green areas. So make sure you prepare for some isolated to scattered flooding if you live in the green, and especially the yellow areas today. And finally, taking a look at our tropical wave in the Caribbean. Tropical wave has made landfall near Belize and is expected to emerge into the Bay of Campeche and Western Gulf over the next 2 to 5 days, where it has a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 2 days and a 30% chance now tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. So I'm going to continue to keep an eye on this system, especially once it emerges over the Bay of Campeche and starts moving northwest towards northeast Mexico and South Texas, as this will be where it has the greatest probability of development. So thanks for watching today's weather update. Make sure you prepare for some isolated and scattered flash flooding if you live in the shaded areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.